Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so right now. Click the subscribe button so that way you can stay up to date with new video every time I post a new one. Okay guys, today's video is going to be a very simple and probably a very short video too. I will be showing you guys a trick that I use to get rid of my hiccups. So I feel like it was important for me to share. So like I said, I will be sharing everything that I feel like is important that might help somebody else. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go straight to the point. To do that trick, you need water. So I have the water. You need spoon, not the plastic spoon, the metal one, and then you need a glass. So those are technically all you need. What you will do is you will pour water into the glass. So you pour water into the glass. Let me show you guys. So this is the water with the glass, and all you simply do is just take the spoon and put it in and drink it like that. Trust me, it will get rid of it in a matter of a second. As soon as you're done drinking it, it will stop it. The only thing that I will say is I do know sometime with allergies, some reaction to allergy is hiccup. If this is one of them, then that might not apply to you. But if it's just like some random hiccup that you have after eating or whatever the case may be, then yes, you can simply do that. It's very simple, and then you just drink it. That's all. So yes guys, that is all for today. So please go ahead, like and subscribe, and leave a comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.